Hello, my name is Carlos. Today I am going to tell you about my typical week. On Monday, I get up at 4:30 in the morning. Then I go to the bus at 5:20. I leave for the mine. I arrive at 7 a.m. I have breakfast and then to start working. At 12:10, I have lunch with my coworkers. After eating, I brush my teeth and go to back to work. I work until 6:20 p.m. Then I go to dinner and continue working until 9 p.m. Then I go to my room, wash up, and call my wife and my daughter until 10:30 p.m. Then I go to sleep. From uh, Tuesday to Friday, I have similar routine. But I get up at 6:14 a.m. Because I start to work. On Friday afternoon, I return at my house. Have dinner with my family. That evening, and go to sleep. On Saturday, I get up mm, little late. Usually go to the market or for a walk with my family and my daughter. In the afternoon, I travel to Cajamarca because I have class at the university UPM. I study on Saturday afternoon and Sunday morning. Um, Finally, on Sunday afternoon, I return at my home and spend time with my family and my daughter. Uh, Watch movies with my daughter. That's my weekly routine. It's a bit jagged, but I am used to it because that's my schedule. Thanks.